Hello everyone. I'm back with the Magical Mondays series on anger management on our channel You Are Epic. In my first episode of anger management, we briefly explained what anger actually is, and now we will move ahead with aspects creating anger. We are here to transform the ones who are ready to quickly identify their gray areas and shift themselves for resilience and peace. Let's make this life really magical by let going of one emotion that has killed many relations knowingly or unknowingly. Always keep this in mind. Make your anger so expensive that no one can afford it. And make your happiness so contagious that no one can stay uninfected. Buddha was once confronted by a passers-by who was continuously screaming at him, and Mahatma Ji kept a smile on his face and did not react. Later, the disciples approached him to ask why you didn't say anything to that person when he used such nasty words for you. Didn't you feel bad? Mahatma Buddha responded. He gave what he wanted to give. But I didn't take what he was giving, so it did not really hurt me. The essence in this is the other person speaks with his perspective, and it has got nothing to do with me. It is a reflection of his being, and interpreting it personally does only give it a dimension where the solution is far from visible. The person who is filled with anger can only give anger because you can share only what you have. Wake up, friends. This is Dr. Urvashi Yashroy, your transformational partner in anger management, trying to show you that anger is an energy depleter. Seal all the leaks to conserve the energy and retain your composure because you are epic. Keep few mantras handy while you're interacting with people who make you angry. Anger is an emotion to be used judiciously and not freely. Don't let others' anger consume you. Detach yourself from the scene and observe. You will be able to see a space between yourself and the scene. And then you can very well observe it as a third person and take objective decisions. Practice mindful responses with calm and peace in the inner you. Every time you feel irritation creeping in, give yourself a breather and smile at the foolishness of others. Choice is entirely yours. Every time you feel angry, tell yourself that you are an outcome of your pleasurable experiences, and no one can change your world without your getting involved in it. If you are able to endure that moment of someone's anger with a constant smile on your face, you have already conquered a state of happiness. Happiness is contagious. A smile in the moment of anger can ease the emotion that has built inside you and is constricting your chest. And that beautiful smile can ease the people around you. The media and the society has pre-designed roles for every one of us. Other person's expectation to fit us in the mold can be a serious issue for impulsive anger. Discuss and emphasize that you are a different person, but not wrong. It is time to move from old and ordinary to fresh and invigorating you. Continue to log into Magical Monday series of anger management. Contact us on issues of anger management in self at YouAreEpic11 on our Insta handle, or send a personal message to 9422114055. Have a anger free week. Bye bye.